Remember those nights? You felt invincible, king of the world. But what happens when the party ends? When the laughter dies down, the music fades, and the sun begins to rise, revealing the harsh light of day? Suddenly, you're not on top of the world anymore. You're just another soul, feeling the weight of reality. Now imagine this, you're surrounded by stacks of unpaid bills, the remnants of last night's party strewn haphazardly, the echo of laughter replaced by the deafening silence of loneliness. You're in a dark room, the only light coming from the empty bottles that surround you, their hollow insides reflecting your own emptiness. Did you know 70% of people wrestling with addiction report financial worries? It's a staggering figure, isn't it? And that was me, a statistic, caught in the grip of addiction, wrestling with money troubles. That was me, trapped in a bottle, drowning in debt, my dreams suffocating. The first challenge I faced was the debt demon. Credit card spirals and unexpected expenses can trap anyone. They sneak up on you like a silent predator in the night. Before you know it, you're drowning in a sea of red numbers, your peace of mind swallowed by the monstrous waves of financial stress. This demon doesn't just steal your money, it also robs you of your sleep, your joy, and sometimes your hope. But I discovered a powerful weapon against this demon, the budget samurai. The budget samurai is a simple, effective budgeting technique that can help slay your debt. It's about mastering the art of living within your means. You start by tracking every penny that comes in and goes out. Then you categorize your expenses and prioritize them. The idea is to cut back on non-essential spending, freeing up more money to pay down debt. With discipline and patience, you'll see progress. With the Budget Samurai, I started to regain control over my finances. The next challenge was the Job Jilt. Job insecurity can affect your mental health, self-esteem, and performance. Suddenly, the confidence you once had feels like a distant memory. You're walking on eggshells, fearing the worst. This anxiety can drive you deeper into the bottle as you seek an escape from the constant worry. It can also worsen your financial situation as unstable income and mounting bills become a vicious cycle. But I found a solution: the Income Ninja. The Income Ninja is about diversifying your income with side hustles, remote work, and upskilling. In a world where job security is a myth, it's crucial to have more than one income stream. Think of it like this. You're building your financial fortress brick by brick. Whether it's a part-time gig, a freelance project, or a skill you're monetizing, every bit counts. It's a safety net that keeps your finances stable even when life throws its curveballs. The Income Ninja helped me overcome job insecurity and boost my financial stability. The third challenge was the money maze. Financial illiteracy can keep you in the dark. Picture yourself in a labyrinth, each turn leading to more confusion, more debt, more despair. It's like trying to navigate a ship in a storm without a compass. This lack of financial knowledge, it's not just about money. It's about control, self-worth, and ultimately freedom. It's a heavy chain, binding you to your past mistakes. But there's a way out. The Financial Guru. The Financial Guru is about mastering money management skills, from savings to investments. It's like learning a new language, but this one speaks in dollar signs and interest rates. It's about understanding how your money can work for you, not the other way around. It's about making informed decisions that can lead to financial independence. Picture a life free of money worries, where you're in control. With the Financial Guru, I learned to navigate the money maze. The final challenge was the isolation trap. Addiction can make you feel alone and misunderstood. It's like being in a room full of people, yet feeling completely isolated. This loneliness can amplify the struggle, making it harder to seek help or to believe that change is possible. It's a vicious cycle where isolation fuels addiction and addiction deepens the isolation. But there's a community waiting for you, the Recovery Tribe. The Recovery Tribe is about finding support and building a community. It's about discovering that you're not alone in your struggles. It's about understanding that there are others who have walked the same path, felt the same despair. They've been through the darkness and emerged into the light. This tribe, this community, provides the emotional balm and practical advice you need to navigate your recovery journey. With the Recovery Tribe, I never felt alone in my journey. These challenges and solutions transformed my life. From drowning in debt and despair, I found my way out. I mastered my finances, diversified my income, and built a supportive community. You too can break free from your struggles and build a brighter future.